Hi, I'm Mantak Chia. I am the Qigong Master of the years that the Chinese medicine and the World Qigong Congress give me two times the title of Qigong Master of the World. And I'm very happy to teaching the Qigong. Qigong means life force. Qi means life force. Gong means practicing life force. So we call, like India, we call prana, but Taoism called Qigong. So there are many Qigong practice that I am one of the experts in this field that teaching more than nearly 60 years. From their beginning, we tell people how to learn how to breathe. We have many breathing techniques. The whole body needs energy, Qi, prana, life force. Okay, so the Tao practice, it goes back to many thousand years. And when it starts written down, it's more than 5,000 years our history that writing down all the Qigong practice and the position. And every family have their own unique Qigong practicing. So they have many branches. When I started to learn, I started to interesting in the internal Qigong practice. And I have inherited the whole formula from my master, 9 formula Tao inner alchemy practice. Qigong means the art of breathing. So we learn how to breathe. So in a Tao practice, we call you have to learn to breathe into your lower Tantien. Tantien means it stores our original energy. So the Tao said when we come to this world, everything goes to the navel. Life force energy is stored below the navel. So when you touch the navel, 3 fingers below the navel, this one we call the original Tantien. So the first thing we learn how to breathe in lower abdominal. So 9, 18, 36. Let's do 9 times. Your hand below the navel, 3 fingers, we call lower Tantien. Actually, we call it store our original energy. So inhale, expand, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we call normal breathing. But in the Untitled Qigong use a lot of reverse breathing. Reverse breathing is you inhale, you suck your stomach in, and you feel something touching on the back. It's called navel touch the spine. So inhale, suck stomach in, navel touch the spine. You feel that something touching the spine, okay? And exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you do this breathing every day, 136 or 72, it's very good, okay? It's not long, but you are learning some practice that is really give you a lot of energy and power and healing energy. This kind of lower Tantien breathing is your original energy. It activates your healing power. So when you do this breathing every day, you activate more Qi, more life force. And now, if you have any sickness, this energy that generates out will start to heal you. So Qigong being spread out to the world with all the Chinese immigrants. So in the beginning, the Chinese immigrant a lot to the Asia. And I born in Thailand, and Bangkok, that's where I stay, in a big park. So every morning, I like, because I'm very close to the park, so I like to go to park, to walk, to play, to everything. And I see so many Chinese people just doing Qigong, doing Tai Chi. When I see them, so many people different, sometimes you can see different people have different Qigong practice. And I'm very interesting. And I talk to them and ask them to teach me. And they look at me, I'm still quite young, and they said, you're supposed to go to play, you're not supposed to learn the Qigong. I said, no, I like that because, so they teach me a Qigong, how to calm the mind, and how to do the breathing in the right way, how to do the Tantien breathing, solar plexus breathing, and the chest. We call the last one is the chest breathing, and how to breathe through the scalp. So we said 3 energy centers. So inhale, lower Tantien, solar plexus, and upper energy center. Exhale, flatten down the rib cage and the diaphragm and the lower diaphragm. Inhale, lower diaphragm, middle, upper. Exhale, inhale. So we call 3 Tantien. Lower Tantien, middle Tantien, upper Tantien actually is the diaphragm. And when we learn how to do this inhale, 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 so you activate the lower diaphragm, middle diaphragm, upper diaphragm. Exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. You have to do at least 9, 18, 36 times. So that is learn how to breathe in different part of the body. We call different Tantien. And the Qigong is go around. So wherever the Chinese immigrant to, they bring Qigong because it's the practice they like to do in the morning to keep them healthy and don't get sick. We welcome you to Tao Garden on this fall, the Qigong retreat. See you in Thailand.